In the School of Business, and I'm going to include the School of Lumber, I was asked if this was an asset. Well, I obtained it from next door free. I believe it's solid oak. Oak at 42 cents a cubic inch. That's a lot of wood. And people that work with lumber could take it apart, glue it together, make something oak out of it. But look at the artistry in this. The workman picked the prettiest piece of wood for the display. You know, he must have been good. You know, and all the straight grain lumber is all used in supports and on the edges and on the table. And there's plenty of it down here. You know, 2 inches wide, foot long, 42 cents. You know, this little board right here is almost probably $5 if you were to buy the lumber. So you could, if you were an artist, take it all apart, rebuild it, utilize it. And part of this is to help the youth realize that, you know, if they're into woodworking, I mean, they can find lumber cheap, it's not so expensive, and become an artist. I don't know what it's worth. I haven't done the diagram to figure it out exactly how many cubic inches are in this piece. But to me, wood's a commodity, an asset, and it may become valuable in a few years when we can't find it. Youth Truth Podcast. Like, subscribe. Check it out.